and that would be an absence of vowel sounds or excessive vowel noise. And you can do that, of course you'll do skin on skin. Go down, you listen for vowel activity, and what you're thinking about, you got intestines in many, many loops, and you're listening to them to see what they're up to. They should be, moving things along, taking fluids out, putting fluids in. Percussive notes are going to change randomly, but you should hear the vowel doing what it normally does, okay? And you say, I've been listening for a half minute or a minute, and I've heard some vowel sounds, but it doesn't seem to be too many, so I can't really come to any impression that there's any evidence of vowel obstruction, okay? So then you think, the only thing I can do with my stethoscope now is see if there's any plaquing or aneurysms in the aorta. So obviously to do that, you can take the bell, set it over the highest part of the aorta you can get to, listen to every centimeter of length, listening for an aneurysm or plaquing to cause turbulence. And on students, I've never heard anything in the aorta ever. But you can't go like this and skip. You got to listen all the way down. Don't have to do the iliacs till 8th quarter. And so now I can attest that you have no plaquing or no, to the extent or an aneurysm that could be determined by the exam. Okay? So that's all there is. Okay? But you got to get what? No, all there is with this.
Oh, okay.
Why are you being mean to me?